Kalia's wives pray to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna attacked the mighty serpent king. He brought Kalia's hood down and climbed on it. Krishna, my son, please be careful, cried out anguished Yasoda. Thus began the dance of Lord Krishna on the hood of the king of serpents, Kalia. Kalia was squeezed under the weight of Lord Krishna and was almost out of breath, as the incarnation of Lord Vishnu himself danced on the hood of the mighty serpent. All the other snakes watched in fear. Many of them vanished deep beneath the surface of the water, so that they might escape the wrath of Lord Krishna. When Kalia's many wives realized that their husband was about to meet with his destruction, they started to cry. Kalia was squeezed under the weight of Lord Krishna and was almost out of breath. They started praying to Lord Krishna to forgive Kalia and spare his life. Kalia begs for mercy. As Lord Krishna danced on Kalia's mighty hood, Kalia felt immense pain. He trembled with terror to realize that he was about to meet his end. If I do not beg for mercy now, I will surely die, thought the king of the serpents. The mighty serpent also understood that the young boy dancing on his hood could not be an ordinary mortal. In sheer terror, the truth sank into Kalia's mind that his tormentor was in truth Lord Vishnu. So he begged, "Have mercy on me, I regret my mistake." So the serpent is ready to accept defeat. Though he is evil, yet he is ready to accept his mistake and he is begging for mercy. His wife are also pleading for mercy, thought Lord Krishna. As the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, he was filled with compassion even for the poisonous serpent, who decided to show mercy to the snake. Lord Krishna spares Kalia's life. The king of the serpents bowed down to Lord Krishna. "Kalia, I have decided to spare your life," Lord Krishna said. Kalia and his wife started to thank Lord Krishna. "Do not thank me, for it is my nature to spare the lives of those who truly repent for their evil ways. As you have accepted defeat at my hands, I must spare your life. My lord, you have defeated even me, the mighty Kalia. You are feared by the demon king Kalsa as well," said the frightened snake. "You will know me by my mercy and compassion, but there is a price for your release. Are you willing to pay it?" asked Lord Krishna. Knowing that he had no choice but to accept the condition, Kalia said, "Yes, my lord. I will accept any condition that you place before me so that I may secure my release." Kalia leaves River Yamuna. Lord Krishna decided to rid River Yamuna of Kalia. "Kalia, you must leave the waters of the Yamuna forever. You cannot remain here and poison these waters. The passers-by, birds as well as trees are suffering the ill effects of the venom you spread in the water," said Lord Krishna. Hearing this, the mighty Kalia started to weep. "This is my home, O Lord. If I go back to the mighty ocean, Garuda will never spare me, my wives or even my fellow snakes." Kalia cried out in his misery. Lord Krishna sensed that Kalia's misery was indeed deep. He said, "Do not fear, Kalia. The mark of my feet on your hood will protect you from the wrath of Garuda when you reach the mighty ocean." Hearing this, Kalia was relieved. He understood that true power is full of compassion and love. Kalia realized that the divine forces had blessed him through his encounter with Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna purifies the Yamuna. Kalia's wives, his family and relatives began to thank Lord Krishna. Kalia said, "I am leaving the waters of the Yamuna with a blessing, all because of your mercy. O Lord, now I can return to the mighty ocean where I belong." His duel with Lord Krishna had led to Kalia's defeat, but Lord Krishna's compassion filled the serpent king's heart with peace. Kalia and his wives, along with all the other snakes, returned to the mighty ocean. Once they left, the waters of River Yamuna were purified and freed of poison. Lord Krishna then returned to the shore where Yashoda, Nanda and Balram, along with many people from Vrindavan, were standing. Seeing the defeat of the mighty serpent and his snakes at the hands of Lord Krishna, the gopis let out loud cheers.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.